This is a pretty urgent video, and I'm not even bullshitting you guys, but Tesla here at the lower Bollinger Band on the daily chart. We could see here last Friday, first week of March here on Friday, we had a candle here that ended in a bullish hammer, right? This is actually way above the lower Bollinger Band. I know we tested a low of 250, and then here we ended on 262. So definitely going into the second week of March, so going into March 10th, I would keep an eye out for volatility towards the upside. 272 I think is going to be tested during this week, and if there is any sign of pullback, 237 is the bottom in my opinion. Personally viewing this as a dip opportunity between 272 and 237. What am I going to be looking forward to going into the next couple of months? I don't think we have any more downside to Tesla. This, in my opinion, we should be able to see a reversal up into the middle Bollinger Band. Again, the middle Bollinger Band on the daily chart is at about 342. So that is my minimal price target for Tesla stock. We will see, I think, the overall market have its rally. So we're just having a bit of a sell off into the general market. But once we get that reversal, I do believe that rally will cause Tesla to run up towards 342. So with that minimal price target being said, the upper Bollinger Band will be tested once the bulls are back into action here on the daily chart. More buying pressure after we test the middle Bollinger Band. And the upper Bollinger Band going to be at 436. Do I think it's going to be tested? In my opinion, I know for a fact it's going to be tested. It's not a matter of if, it's just a matter of when, in my opinion. We already know about these companies, right? So Tesla here should see that reversal, middle 342 test into a 436 test. I can't exactly say when, but I do believe within 2025, we will get a reversal into the upper Bollinger Band. And so I'm preparing myself personally while cautiously adding small positions at a time, loading between 272 and 237, as I think this is a generational dip opportunity, looking for that move towards 436 there, end of year, okay? Let me know what you guys think down below for Tesla stock. If you are in Tesla, do you think we are going to see more downside, possibly down towards 213? Or do you think what I'm thinking, 237 to 272 is a dip opportunity? Not trying to time the bottom, but I think we're very close to it. And in terms of upside move, that's about a 66 or 65% move towards the top side from our current prices. Sounds pretty good to me. In terms of downside, I don't think there's as much downside anymore. I know a lot of people are panicking, thinking that we might drop below 200. I don't think we drop below 200 again. If anything, I believe 272 to 237 here is going to be a loading zone. And this week is going to probably be a make or break for Tesla stock. And if I go into the 200 moving average here and go into the weekly chart, this is the weekly chart here. You can see that as of this last week, we bounced off of the 200 MA moving average there. Going into this week, I want to see if we can get that reversal like I said earlier, okay? So it's kind of hard to see. You can see this orange line right here. That's the 200 moving average. So let's go ahead and take that out. Back into the daily chart. That's why I think we're going to have this reversal towards the upside, okay? If you found this video helpful, feel free to subscribe and like the video. Turn on notifications. I will be making more Tesla videos as well as NVIDIA videos on a weekly basis. Most of these I will also be additionally adding extra videos on a daily basis as well, depending on the stock itself. If we're seeing a lot of volatile moves, I'll definitely be keeping you guys up to date with my opinion. You know, some resistances to keep an eye out for, like 272, 313, 355, 406, going towards the top side there. While we do break through middle and upper Bollinger Band, just be careful in general. When we do break above the Bollinger Band, there could be a potential sell-off like we saw here. And same thing with breaking below the Bollinger Band and also being at a 30 or below RSI. It's extremely oversold, meaning I think this is just screaming to me personally to be buying. All right. And last but not least, if you haven't had a chance to join our Discord yet, we do have a Discord community over 32,000 people. Very friendly. You can come in and ask questions, share due diligence. We have over 32,000 people. It's free to join. Link down below in the description for Bullish Raid Discord. And last but not least, if you are looking for our live entries and exits, you can join our Patreon, link down below in the description, for a 90% off permanent discount, live entries and exits from 20 analysts. All right, that does include stocks and options, and that does include Tesla stock as well. Okay, previously we entered into Tesla stock right around 170, 180. You can even see one of our older videos on our Bullish Rate YouTube channel. We called an entry between 170 and 180, and then we called the run up all the way up to not exactly 488, but we did shave on the way up because I didn't expect 488 to be tested. Right, we can see here we broke above the Bollinger Band here, got to a high of about 360, pulled back a little bit down to 313, and ran all the way up to 488, which I didn't expect. But now we are back down towards 262, and I'm saying personally, I'm telling you guys, in my opinion, 237 to 272 is going to be that dip opportunity, because we're going to see that reversal towards the middle Bollinger Band here very soon. 342 could be possibly within the next few weeks or even this week. And then, of course, once the bulls are back, watch for 436 there. Okay. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video for Tesla stock.